I hate this issue today, and here is the quick fix to solve it. If you've ever been overcharged for a ride on Lyft, you know how frustrating it can be. Here is a simple guide to help you get your refund. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your ride history. Step 2. Access ride history. Tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner and select Ride History. This will show you a list of your past rides. Step 3. Select the overcharged ride. Find the ride that you believe was overcharged. Tap on it to view the details, including the fare breakdown. Step 4. Request a refund. Scroll down to find the Get Help button. Tap on it and select Report an issue to request a refund for the overcharge. Be sure to provide a clear explanation of the issue. Step 5. Wait for response. After submitting your request, check your email for a response from Lyft. They typically respond within a few days. If you don't hear back, you can follow up through the app. Remember, if you notice a discrepancy in your fare, it is best to act quickly. For example, if you were charged an extra $10 for a ride that should have been $15, report it as soon as possible. I hope this guide helps you get your refund smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.